Pika, an innovative video-making platform, announced its major upgrade Pika 1.0 on November 28, 2023. The platform, founded 6 months ago, aims to simplify and democratize video creation. Pika 1.0 features a new AI model for generating and editing videos in various styles and an enhanced web experience for user convenience. The community has grown to 500,000 users, producing millions of videos weekly. Pika also revealed significant fundraising achievements, securing $55 million in funding from notable investors. Now, let's rewind a bit. During the previous winter, Demi Guo and her team faced challenges at the AI Film Festival by Runway, a leading AI video editor startup. Despite their technical expertise, the complexities of existing platforms led Demi and Chenlin Meng to leave Stanford and launch Pika in April. Now they are co-founders of Pika. Their mission? To simplify the video-making process. An AI video generator aimed at simplifying the video-making process. Let's explore the new features from the demo video. Text to video, retaining the text-to-video feature, with improved video quality and enhanced actions. Image to video. Upload an image and generate a video based on it, making it much smooth and natural. Video to video. Transform your video into animation or other styles of your choice. Expand video. Effortlessly expand your video with a simple click, expand, and Pika will automatically make the necessary adjustments, ensuring intelligent user-friendly and seamless transitions. Change area. Choose an area, then enter a prompt to generate a new object within that selected area in the video. Offer users greater control and creativity in video editing. After witnessing these features in a demo video, we can't wait to experience the new version of Pika. Visit the Pika website and sign up for the waiting list.